Hello and welcome back to Liberty Lens. I'm your host, Eric. Today, the Supreme Court cleared the path for the Trump Justice Department to fully dismiss Steve Bannon's 2022 contempt of Congress conviction. Here's what happened. Bannon was convicted after refusing to comply with a subpoena from the House January 6 Select Committee. He served his 4-month prison sentence in 2024, but he continued fighting for the conviction on appeal, arguing, among other things, that the J6 committee lacked proper authority and that he relied on legal advice. With the new administration in place, the DOJ moved to dismiss the case, stating it was in the interest of justice. The Supreme Court vacated the lower court rulings that had upheld the conviction and sent the case back to the district court, where dismissal is now expected. This wipes the conviction from his record, even though he already served the time. Reactions to this decision are sharply divided. As expected in today's polarized climate, critics on the left are calling it political favoritism and an example of Trump administration shielding its allies. Some are accusing the Supreme Court of bending to pressure and undermining accountability for the events surrounding January 6. On the other side, many conservatives and Trump supporters are celebrating it as a long overdue correction. They're pointing out that Bannon had already paid the price with prison time, and they view the original prosecution as politically motivated weaponization of Congress and the DOJ against Trump's allies. Supporters see this as part of the broader effort to reverse what they call selective or abuse prosecutions from the previous administration. From a patriotic perspective, this ruling represents victory for real justice over political persecution. The January 6 committee was widely criticized as a one-sided show trial, stacked against conservatives, with questions being raised about its legality and fairness from the start, forcing Americans to testify before such a panel, or jailing them for resisting. Smells more like targeting political opponents than genuine oversight. And now the system is finally acknowledging that this case shouldn't have been pursued the way it was. In a free republic, we shouldn't allow Congress or any administration to turn subpoenas into partisan traps. This move helps restore balance, protects executive privilege where it applies, and sends a message that weaponized government won't stand unchallenged. This is another step toward holding the institutions accountable, ensuring that lawfare doesn't replace fair elections or open debate. What do you think? Is this justice finally catching up, or is it something else? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Like and subscribe for more unfiltered takes on the news that matter. But these have been my thoughts, not yours. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.